Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're in need of a stylish yet very functional couch cup holder, then you've got to check out this one from Bestjing. This is a patented design that is a two-in-one side table tray and couch cup holder. Now, I was really looking for something that could fit our armrests on our couch because they're on the smaller side. They are just about 5 inches wide. So I love that this fit this perfectly. It will accommodate a 4.5 inch and then above that. The reason it can accommodate a larger armrest too is because the sides have accordion slats in them. This has an anti-slip backing. It really doesn't move on the couch at all. We have a fabric couch. We have a lot of different cup sizes that I've been using this for. Some of them are 16 ounces and a little bit too wide to place inside the cup holder. So I just slide it back and then place my cup on the tray portion, and it's great. This is great too because we're always losing our remotes, and this can hold a lot of them, and then I know exactly where they are. I think Bestjing did an amazing job with the design on this. It's perfect for us, especially since we don't have room for a side table next to our couch, and we're always placing things just on the armrest. So now we have somewhere to put it, keeps our couch clean, and it fits a nice variety of different sizes of cups. And that's my point of view.